Hello viewers, I am Saurabh. Welcome to MLT Study. Today I bring a new video about the definition and classification of enzyme from the biochemistry section. If you are studying MLT Medical Laboratory Technology and visit the channel first time, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for important easier notes for the examination. So without time waste, I am going to today's topic. So let's start. Introduction. Enzymes are synthesized by living cells. What is the definition of enzyme? I described later in the video. So without skip, please watch the full video. Enzymology. The study of enzymes is called enzymology. There is two important terms in the clinical enzymology. Number one, substrate, and second is product. So you need to know what is substrate and what is product. Substrate is the substance or substances on which enzyme acts in the reaction, and at the end of a reaction, substrate change to a new molecule. This new molecule is called as product. Next, definition of enzyme. Enzymes are biocatalysts which accelerate the chemical reaction without changing the state of equilibrium. Characteristics of enzyme. Enzymes are colloidal, thermolabile, means easily destroyed or deactivated by heat, protein in nature except ribozyme, and specific in their action. If you add these characteristics in the definition of enzyme, you will get full marks. Classification. According to International Union of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology, enzymes are classified into 6 classes, and in 2018 a new class is added to this group. This union also described the enzyme nomenclature and the enzyme commission number. So what is enzyme commission number? This is the 4-digit number separated by full stop. Like enzyme commission number 2611. Here 2 represents class, 6 represents subclass, 1 represents sub-subclass, and last one represents individual enzyme number. Based on the mechanism of enzymes, International Union of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology describes 7 classes of enzymes. Enzyme commission number 1. The name is oxidoreductase. Catalyze oxidation reduction reaction and responsible for transfer of H plus ions. Example, alcohol dehydrogenase. Enzyme commission number 1111. First one is class, means oxidoreductase. Second one represents subclass, here primary alcohol. Third one represents sub-subclass, here acceptor is NAD or NADP. And last one is individual enzyme number, here this is alcohol dehydrogenase. Number 2, lactate dehydrogenase, LDH, responsible for conversion of lactate to pyruvate. And third, glycerol 3-phosphate dehydrogenase. Enzyme commission number 2, the name is transferase. Transfer a functional group other than H plus ions, means this enzyme transfer a functional group, either methyl group, phosphate group or nitrogenous group, not the H plus ions. Example, SGOT, SGPT, hexokinase. To remember the एंजाइम कमीशन नंबर ऑफ SGOT and SGPT 2611 and 2612, 2611 and 2612. Enzyme commission number 3, the name is hydrolysis. Hydrolysis of compound by addition of water molecule. Most digestive enzymes are belong to this group. Example, alkaline phosphatase, ALP. Enzyme commission number is 3131. Enzyme commission number 4, name is lyase. Responsible for the cleavage of the bond like C bond C, C bond O, C bond N, C bond S. Example, aldolase. 4123. Enzyme commission number 5, name is isomerase. Transfer the intramolecular ions or atoms. Example, triose phosphate isomerase. Enzyme commission number is 5311. Enzyme commission number 6, ligase. Responsible for formation of bond, means join two molecules. Example, DNA ligase 6511. Enzyme commission number 7, translocase. In 2018, this is added in the group. Transport of ions across the membrane, example, ATPase. There is a mnemonic to remember these 7 classes of enzyme based on their mechanism. OTHLILT. Here O for oxidoreductase, T for transferase, H for hydrolases, L for lyases, I for isomerase, L for ligase, and T for translocase. Few important questions for this topic. Number 1, what is apoenzyme, coenzyme, and holoenzyme? I previously told that enzymes are protein in nature. They may be simple protein or conjugated protein. Some enzymes are conjugated proteins with a protein part and a non-protein part. The protein part is called as apoenzyme and the non-protein part is called as prosthetic group or coenzyme. When apoenzyme joined with coenzyme form the holoenzyme. Actually, apoenzyme is the inactive protein portion and coenzyme is called cofactor, it is the activator. When coenzyme joins with apoenzyme form holoenzyme, this is the active whole enzyme. Number 2, define enzyme. Number 3, classify enzyme with example of each. If the video is helpful to you, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification.